Kay here with WTI, and if you're a puzzle lover, I'm about to change the game for you. This puzzle board from WELGEE is an absolute must-have for anybody who enjoys doing puzzles. This particular board accommodates a puzzle up to 1,500 pieces, so it's a really generous size. I love that it has a little lip on the side, so all of your puzzle pieces stay in place. It has 4 drawers, so you can divide up your pieces however you wish. They do come out. It makes it really easy to separate all the colors. The best part about a puzzle board is its portability. So you don't have to keep it on the table at all times. You can easily take it from room to room or even put it away. It's got a really slim profile, so you can tuck it under your bed or under a couch and get it out of your way. Another awesome feature is that it has a swivel, so you can easily rotate it around. If you're a bunch of people doing the same puzzle, you can share, or you can just flip it to access the other side easily. I've used many puzzle boards, and this is definitely one that I feel is worth your time. It also has a mat that goes on top. It's nice and thick and grippy, which will keep your puzzle in place when you have to move it around. This whole thing is made of plastic, so it's wipeable, easy to clean. Overall, I think this is an awesome puzzle board. It would make an amazing gift. I have given many puzzle boards as gifts, and it's always a huge hit. So if you are contemplating this one, I think it is a great choice, and that's my point of view.